Bone marrow transplant. This has been a recent interest in this topic, as there are many conditions which can be treated with this and the outcomes are improving all the time. Bone marrow is the soft substance which is present in the center of the bone, which is like a factory which produces all the blood cells, red cells, white cells, and platelets. As you are aware, these are very important. For example, red cells carry the oxygen around the body. The immune system comes from the white cells, and platelets are important for the blood clotting. And there are a number of conditions which affect these cells. And for many of these conditions, as the last resort, bone marrow transplant is the treatment. In bone marrow transplant, we try to correct the defective or diseased or non-functioning bone marrow with somebody else's bone marrow. And that's what we call as a bone marrow transplant. It is not a surgical procedure, but is a medical procedure. For example, a defective bone marrow is a situation where the patient is born with an inherited genetic defect. For example, it may be a thalassemia, or it may be a primary immunodeficiency, or some other bone marrow failure syndrome which is genetically inherited. A diseased bone marrow would be, say, for example, a leukemia which did not respond to a normal chemotherapy. And non-functioning bone marrow will be the bone marrow failure syndromes, or some unknown reason due to immune-mediated mechanisms, the bone marrow suddenly starts failing. These are often life-threatening or life-limiting conditions, and they can get a new lease of life with the procedure bone marrow transplant. With the recent advances, there are alternative donors available and newer techniques are available. So everybody who needs a bone marrow transplant can get a bone marrow transplant. Unlike in the past, it was very much restricted by the availability of donors. I am Dr. Stalin Ramprakash, consultant pediatric hematologist, oncologist, and bone marrow transplant physician at Aster RV Hospital, South Bangalore. Thank you.